sa yin pe ju ju jin me do dong ri ra li xin yin de jian ba de sa ye shen du mi de gu gu non da jin do je wa ra jo o mo gu ru bu da bo de sa do sa pa ri pe na men da la bun da men ga sa mu da sa pa ra na sa ma ye ta ta ri zhen li san de kang sa shu be shuo zhou po mo chang wa lo da ning ne za xin zhe chen zhi da zhe tao ne zhe xi de le xi xue yin ning ta da ga zi zhen bu li yong shi zhou ba yin ne yam gi jian be ta geng ji gang an meng bu che ge yo le yin ji da ga zhou ka kang shun ko xie de na li yu bi shu gu le ya yin ni ko kap ji zhe zhen ne de wa nang ren yu ma yin xian song ba de yin de ko kan ta me kan du jie ba yin na tamje dunga ge ra xin dunga ge chungor dunga ge yola tende yin ba re tende yin de zan de ra rang ge ta kha so re jing ngue ge le da an cha ge ye tende ge to ne min de ba ma wo ji yu gu yo re en de ngue ge le se de kha re se la wa yin da ra ra so so sa we le ki di jiao nga ma ge chen be khan da le nema khan sa wa ti ji ti ta jibu tu min ne en jibu de wa dunga na so nyong wa de sha ge ya le en cha ge jian se de ta ya xin lang ji ta ju jian ma wo ji ge to ne yang lu li ya de ya en de jing ge de yong gu ya de khan da ya de nga ran zu da zo ji sim ju sang bu xia da de dan je to ne le 기디기 라파나 수신 디샤고야 돼 개시슈 임바레 대다 챕지도 되네 밀루아 라마 군조 인도 잔 라마 군조를 소아타야 에페 개심부레 디와레 세산데 인도 잔데 되네 아텔라 사제 탐제로 쳔베 이실 시중요 말에 제외 투지를 니링요 말에 저베 눈툴이야 조뉴기 제발요 말이 이나야 야라랑기 레기 제발 예메기 토네 데네야 제발 심부 주요래 데인데라랑기 레기 제발 예베 이상게로 소아타바이나 아니 샹나 만다와기 실라 뉴라다 실라 조고 주고 데기 제발요 야라 레기 제베 메라텔레 소아타바이나 데네야 젠젤랑산랑사 민투야 those Kabashiri Sadisha, David and the thing around the Susita, Leg Java Yubi, La Soata, the Kitchen project, in the leg Java Yuba, the Khanis, Tarankas, Khanis, and the Tirinta, Pendani Betseva Chu, Guru Rumbuchigi, and the Tuje, Chavarjere, the Yare, and the Guru Rumbuchita, Tusum, the Sanja Tamji, see the Divi Ransui in Barret. Di meze di ngaranzu pyo kanjengi chongla ya, ta sanje ki tenpa thoma thara ya, Guru Rinpoche tuji kajila, Guru Rinpoche khunri ki thuma mayimbi tuye, myolam tende ki tenne pyo ya tenpa thaya di, Guru Rinpoche tuji kajila tenne thara re. Bhardo neya ina ya, Guru Rinpoche ki tuji kajila tenne pyo ki choje, chonbe de, risumase pi jejen tamba thama logi, Guru Rinpoche son del nane, and taba yurin de nea, de chunga imbari, ta tanda, tuje nyata dita vikabla ya, and the sanje shenle, tuje hapar nyurati, Guru Rinpoche imbari, de indizane, and Guru Rinpoche la ya, so atavya, pimasi, kesambore, de indizane tiringeti, Guru Rinpoche sonde, kakashi jitaya chatupsi yin. So now, to all Dharma brothers and sisters throughout the world, I would like to extend my very warm greetings and best wishes to all of you. And the thing is that we are residing here in the samsara as long as we are in the samsara, there's nothing but sufferings due to what we call the karma and temporary conditions, previous karma and temporary conditions. Previous karma means the individuals, the karmas, the deeds that we have committed in the past, the good deeds and bad deeds, and due to these, then we have the happiness and sufferings, and continuously that as long as we are roaming in the samsara, we have to experience. And then the temporary condition means that due to external and internal, so many different causes and conditions together, gathering that happens. And so in this way, the main thing, and everyone wants to be happy, and everyone wishes to be free from suffering, and everyone wishes to be experience happiness. And so to accomplish this, mainly we have to practice ourselves to abstain from non-virtuous deeds and to practice the virtuous deeds. And then at the same time that we must pray to all the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas. And all the Buddhas, in terms of their wisdom and their compassion and their power, there's no difference. All the Buddhas are equal. All the Buddhas are same. But due to our own karmic connections, certain Buddhas are, if you have the karmic connection, it is much more easier to invoke this Buddha's blessings. And if you don't have the karmic connection, then it is more difficult to accomplish. And so therefore it is important to pray to the Buddha to whom we have a karmic connection. And the Guru Pema Sambhava, who is the manifestation of all the past, present, and future Buddhas all together. And moreover, the Tibet, right from the beginning, has a very special karmic connections with the Guru Rinpoche. Guru Rinpoche, his own prayers, his own inspiration, his own that he has promised to help the Tibet. And so due to his blessings, due to his kindness, that Buddhism was able to brought from India to Tibet right from the beginning. Without the Guru Rinpoche's blessings, the Buddhism would not be able to establish fully in Tibet. And then in the meantime, for the last so many years, the Buddhism was flourished in Tibet due to the great blessings of the Guru Pema Sambhava. And even now, in this very critical juncture, the critical period, I think it is far more important to seek his blessings than any other Buddhas. So therefore, it is very important to seek the blessings of Guru Rinpoche. And today, the 10th day of the second lunar month, and so it's a very important Guru Rinpoche's day. So on this day that I'm going to give a transmission of some Guru Rinpoche's prayers. 다 당부대야 Guru Rinpoche ki sonde tigdun sonde sayade tigdun sonde sayade ene pawa ta kharo manna Guru Rinpoche chodi khorola jembe jendeng shuar tigimbare di damba zamgi ene Guru Rinpoche habarto yango chiju tisu ngos shön su sawata bayina yango chiju tisu in tigdun sonde gone sawata bayina ane Guru Rinpoche pegi yore inde zandi ine be kesembare di sonde za sembare di yore So the first thing that I'm going to recite is the 7-line prayer. This 7-line prayer is actually an invocation of the Guru Rinpoche for the feast of chalk offerings. And it is said that on every 10th, lunar 10th month, that if anyone pray and recite this 7-line prayer, the Guru Rinpoche will appear to whoever reciting this. And so this is a very, very important prayer. So I'm going to recite first this one. Kasum koala yubi kasu teni genchi nangi parje mambo yungyu yore. Eni shi parje, nangi parje, sanwe parje. Shi parje se nani jungshi, daji sayo da, teni meda, shuda, laso kata, teni ki neba mambo yore. Nangi parje se nani nangi junga chubala teni, jungwe teni, Nerim la sovata minde veri momba yongi yor. Samay parje senadene nyomomba. Doja shedan timusum. Dini kene. Ni tende le tene ni minde veri momba yongi yor. Cheda tende indu tene. Tende ki china sansum ki parje tamje rahmal dışine. Eni sambe tene çözündü duya. O tende ki çedi tene sumbe. Enge so Sunday parjelam se the petachmo chojini Guru Rinpoche nam thaya de yore and chojini Sunday namda Sunday usuruta handa dinizire de yore de in vacation do. So now the second one that I'm going to recite is Parjelamse. Parjelamse means to clear the obstacles. While we as ordinary being caught up in the samsara has to face many obstacles. The outer obstacles, inner obstacles, secret obstacles. Outer obstacle is the natural disasters such as like earthquakes, fire, the winds, tornadoes, tsunami, etc. And then secret obstacle is the tsunami, etc. And then secret obstacle is the defilements, the ignorance, the desire, and anger. And due to these, then so many different undesirable things happening in this life and also in the future lives. So to clear all these obstacles and to fulfill your wishes, that you recite this Parje Lamse. It's a very important prayer. It's in a way the Guru Rinpoche's biography also, but in a way also it is a prayer, very special prayer. So that this I'm going to recite now this one. Oma hum banjanguru pema siddhu chugu na thai la so de lungu tuchi chembo la so de chugu pema jone la so de nage lama ngotur tubu gi jawar yu du ku chun to sam de pyu su sha chun chawat uje yu du ku shu cho den ju tuchi da la sin yi lo zhe da so nam na zhong gong be da la ngu zhu zhe ni be da so pa zhe su xi pa zhe qi lu su nage pa zhe na du su san ya pa zhe yin su su Kyube chanza kya su xie oma hong banjanguru pema siddhi kui mo zib tongwe yeba radi chakya zi yunbe gube chakya zi shari chidhi kena si gyaya dungzin zhoya kan tuji tala chingela 这位大说龙的中公别大了我就是那边大说把这是七把这七六是哪个把这哪的商业把这因素说区别常在教出去欧马红但咱国的百万市场他们就人间生病这故事还是当当的烟茶叶等等流亡的上面上的都是养了血气病质的突击到了星期六这位大说龙那种公别大了我就是那边大说把这七把这七六说哪个把这哪都是商业把这因素说区别常在教欧马红但咱国的百万市场他们他们大不是这边那种两个家的朋友上着新西兰的选民是接受表演代表人，每到百万个人的选民参与对这些，代代的那时候的接着出上学个是产业导致这个呢原本人家上了的，然后对这那都的看出他们的一旦小生工作也突击到了新疆了，这位到说了那，光白到了我就做那边到说把这事情把这些路说哪个把这那都是商业把这有。各位现在就是叫嘛红把这个人把嘛是的叫外他们做为也里拿了主要是你们那个因素把导致下给那是这些真的那是方面把出现这样是不没得啥个这个亚家那不都了真的他们对这些东西到了新疆了这个到说了我们到了我就做那边到说把就是西把这些路说那个把这那都是啥把这因素现在就是叫嘛红新北看的把整个人百万市场新北看的这边在其中周围小路这样在树上看到来成都这是了在公路居住那边做人行见证那说是产业搞来不把那对他新北看的原本上天不把那买卖不了送就是国内家去不把那一到拉单你是没你们周围咱们突击到了新疆了，这边到时候那中国边到了，我就是那边到时候把这是七把这些路，哪个把这那都是商业把这因素是给别上在就是叫嘛，反正过了半嘛是的，这有的光不是没问学习啥去了，大家好像常常在边上当的事实，边边当的光把这产业边嘛种那些早把上进过事情，但这中国养这些东西到了新疆。这到时候我就做那边到时候就七把这些路说哪个把这那都是商业把这因素，特别现在就是叫嘛好把这个月干嘛是这样，毕竟你们这边是天天做这边把看了看都不在那三个拉也拉到的，再来给人谈了的有的才要才是，那一给人这块钱你就早些谈了的马有的相对的给了些了，我就拿叫了八个人的。突击到了新疆了，这样到时候那中公边到了，我就是那边到时候把就是七把这些路，哪个把这那都是商业把这因素说给别讲在就是叫嘛红，反正过了半毛是的，不大毛他给把当的他们生意当了他朋友看来了，然后在看看下面当了他大学老北京住的当了也去当了他还我这阳光，那身体也当了他7月拿着他这些拿来送给你伯伯拿来他把说。来来前的给了这土大自主都不知突击到了新疆了，这个到时候那中国边到了，我就是那边到时候把这，七把这些路说哪个把这那都是商业把这因素是给别正在就是叫嘛，反正过了半嘛是的话，他们手机台湾的讲真大不特别是3月马上很记住，假如广播台是在介绍是给这样。今年半嘛就那些今年半嘛上报今年春节多期上证多期涨不少都知道了今年这个到时候那中国边到了我就在那边到时候把就是7把这些人说哪个把这那都是商业把这因素给别现在就是叫嘛红把整个的半嘛是的上面新不主要的经验多新我就那结论特别让那个都是分级的嘛能去过正面人气的刚才上街上了个成都去到了新疆了，这边到时候那中国边到了我就在那边到时候把这七把这些路说哪个把这那都说商业把这因素说给别讲在就是叫嘛，反正过来半嘛是的，等待我见阅读是他的身边看的是米了他就样子700美金我这突然自主都不是都去到了新疆了，这边到时候那中国边到了我就在那边到时候把。七把这些路说哪个把这那都是商业把这因素说给别正在就是叫嘛，反正过了半嘛是的，古松顿等着我这边把这把给嘛考试上来，经我这双年带进上一个，上去这边把今年不是突击到了新疆了，这个到时候那中国边到了我就在那边到时候把这 시 바지 시로서 나게 바지 나도서 사야 바지 유수서 교회 장사 교수자마 벤장구르 바마스데오마 벤장구르 바마 던져서 바지 사마연자 시디바마 다테네 숨바티 테네 사바hundu 대한 구르름 부시기야 손데 배 계신 부지 이말에 다 동마 구르름지 별라 패반네 손데 애네 간다라지 대바천에서 유미샤바 장네 애네 기타 미졸레야지 가르소레 쟁게 같이 담면다 망보 제대로 있는 요래 여심을 있는 요래 바도를 있는 요래 간다 제대다 심마 바도 숨자라 애니 쟁에 바지 가 여바 타마로 세야 쳐도 애니 지게가 나지다 동에 이 간데 중앙에 구르름 부실로 소왔다 바이나 애니 세브도 지단에 요마레 데이드즈는 디삼바 뉴트루 신 사바탄 핑기 페멘 핑기 주 선데 다심벌 데데 더나 페마시브 페렌데 실업 samkim bichaba yoga sombare. So now the third one is the Sabbath Rindu. This is to fulfill all your wishes and obstacles and problems that we face in this life. And in this life we have to face all kinds of problems like birth, sickness, old age, and death. And then also all kinds of other obstacles like so many external spirits and enemies, all kinds of obstacles, all kinds of natural disasters. And then also, by the time that we leave this world, we have to go through the Bardo stage, which also you have to face many different kinds of obstacles, all kinds of problems, sufferings. So to clear that, and then in the future life also we have to face. So this prayer is not only for this life, but this life, Bardo state, Bardo means the intermediate state, and also the future. So all through the sufferings and problems that we face, to clear that and to fulfill our wishes that we decide this, and this is very, very important. And actually each of these purposes, there is an initiation also for each of these. So in any case, even without receiving the initiation, that if you after receiving the transmission, that if you recite this, it is to clear all obstacles and to fulfill all your wishes. So this is very important. Emma Nujra Dewachi Jishingam Sunawataye Tuji Chino Tugu Pema Chuni Chilo the Zambilin the Joy Tala Jordan Jinji Mebe Tuji Ujen Pema Chunela Soa the Samba Fingi Tuba Chingilu Javu Chuton de Zemejen Choya Dungu Tala Matomber Tusun Jinji Mebe Chingilu Pegi Shokun Javinji with Javu Chuju Tuji Ujen Pema Chunela Soa the Samba Fingi Tuba Chingilu Kunis Lunu Simbu Kanoze Tuji Pegi Simja Yonasi Mari Rob Simja Dembe Nyomon Duga Simja Tagidu Zedun Jinji Mebe Tuji Ujen Pema Chunela Soa the Samba Fingi Tuba Chingil Tungeni Metala Tubes and Nari Gord Pegi Tala Jordan Dobjin Nari Pegi Tala Nisa Sharti Dala Chiptich Yamatichi to Zmurs Jordan Dobjin Zebe Tuji Ujen Pema Chunela Soa the Samba Fingi Tuba Chingil Naja Tama Zudu Nimara Simja Namji Yomon Tungara Nyoma tunga rangi chebese tende tuna dande tuji kyub teden turi jembe tuji ujembe manchunde la soa de sambar hingi choba chinjilo horso jigbe maga takon shogor nyomba jigla tukbese yinyi teso meba soa de ujen hasni de je hortaj horso mabunda obar teso me ujembe manchunde la soa de sambar hingi choba chinjilo simjen gyulu jigbe nechunzi meshe dunga negi nyemba de yinyi teso meba soa Ujembe gilada yerme sese mayi pachin yavarse ujembe manchunde la so samba hingi chobar chingelo juwan jala sachu nyambisi simche mugi negi nyambanda yinyi tezo mebar soa de ujen khanchun nole sodaji ubon chekon sevar tezo me ujembe manchunde la samba hingi chobar chingelo lejen joya tundu terde na tamchi soso mebe padangi yinyi tezo mebar soa de ujen idam rata yerme be panol huyi lambar tezo me ujembe manchunde la so Samarinji Java Chingelo, Bayu Natu Esenyo, but the Kajar Puyu Subshin Langan, Yini Tesum Member Soa, the Ujin Shidanya Mukhatan, Shundalam, Chamber Tesum, Ujin Bema Junela Soa, the Samarinji Java Chingelo, Tazitum Jetu Rucha, Jongjin Jing with Tana Timbit, Yini Tesum Member Soa, the Ujin Bao Kingdom so much to Western Java Tesum, Ujin Bema Junela Soa, the Samarinji Java Chingelo. Sajun melun junga parji ki gyulu yabu jila tubisi yini tezo meba soa de ujen junga shi lama junga rasa shiwa tezo me ujen meba junela soa de sambar hingi choba chi lamsan jigbi tanglan jimbisi seke chakwa shumbi nyamba de yini tezo meba soa ujen shanje shi gomba de zora miki lamsan labar chi ujen meba junela soa de sambar hingi choba chi Kashi sheme maage takwan de sunja namba dipshi nyamba de yini tezo meba soa de ujen doji kutan dem shema teji sunja tawa ji ujen beman junela soa de samba hingi choba chingi de namshi tsesi shiwi tishu neji dunga dudri nyamba de yini tezo meba soa de ujen nawa taye chuba dewa chingi shingdi nyamba ji ujen beman junela Samba hingi choba chingelo, gyulu yabu shibi padur, chuna nyi dunga nyamba, yinyi tezo mebar soa de ujen tuzun kembe tuji ujen mama chundela soa de samba hingi choba chingelo, siya lea da jingi wangyo de chuna ngabur shinji dunga, yinyi tezo mebar soa de ujen dejen jabu ngawo de dunga choba zane shiwa chi ujen mama chundela. Samba hingi choba chingelo, churu dunga shimbi nyamba de kebar peki jama dunga de tegui mebe dungshuta, Yini tezo meba soa de ujen tuji fuji meba se ujen beman junela soa sambar hingi chobar chingelo. Now, Guru Rinpoche's mantra, as I already said, that it is so important to invoke the blessings and the guardians to whom you have a karmic connection. And the Guru Rinpoche and the Tibet and also the Himalaya regions and also anyone who are following the Tibetan Buddhism has a very special karmic connection with the Guru Rinpoche. And so it is important to seek the Guru Rinpoche's blessings without any doubt and without any confusion, with the full confidence, full conviction, with the full devotion. If you pray, there's no doubt that one will be able to get his blessings, and whatever prayer that we request will be answered. And so the Guru Rinpoche's mantra is very powerful, and especially when we have now this pandemic crisis that the whole world is suffering. So during this time, everyone is suffering physically, mentally, and economically, and many other ways that we all face sufferings. So to clear that, the best method, best medicine is to seek the guidance and the blessings of the Guru Rinpoche. And so now you recite after me the mantra of Guru Rinpoche. Om Ahum, Benza Guru, Pema Siddhi Hum. Om Ahum, Benza Guru, Pema Siddhi Hum. Om Ahum, Benza Guru, Pema Siddhi Hum. So with this we completed all the transmission of Guru Rinpoche's prayers and the mantras. So it's very important to recite these prayers, especially the mantra, because it's not very long. It's very easy to remember, and also so you should recite this as many times as though there's no commitment as such, but you recite this as much as possible. Nota digitanda Guru Rinpoche Tsikun Sonderda Bhaja Ramse Sabar Hundu Tejig the Lung Simbayi Tinga de Lung Jetus Machana Simbayi Kesi Shudi Kararesana and the Jundu Yini Tezon Meba Soa de Somali Tain the Tezon the Yini Pame and Havada Mugu Dunshu Tabu on the Soa Seju the Tabayina and Sanje Shele Tuji Lavar Nero the Guru Rinpoche Imbari. And they decided that you have worked with things on Tunganima, Tatanga, Zambuli Yonzo, and the Amki Chabni, and Bemasibata, Lugitunga, Semgitunga, and the Jizo Tunga Rasovata, and they can Tunga in the Meda Mambo, which is going to Cubica, Mang shot the Curva, Jimju shot the Curva data. Guru Rinpoche Soata Yati Imbari. They indicate in Tamalo there, Santi Juta, Howard the Yangadi, Guru Rinpoche Sungadi, Benzan Guru di Shira, Shilab Simbo, and then Tignula, Ter Saba, the day we went to the day they were the Kasimbari, and the day I had to Damba Damachiho, Tigio, Rang Simgin Tuyata. And Simju Sambochia Tone, and the Gidiki Lando Sushin Siwa, the one Miguel Tama in a Bayada, Gawa Chunji in a Bezan Simbichin Juvia, on the Java, and then when around the Yigita Sutu was Yuguina, the very in Tamalo Tula, Java Tone, Alan Sushin to Nava Nasa. So this completed the transmissions. And the main thing is that we must pray to Guru Rinpoche wholeheartedly, without any doubts, without any confusion, with the full trust, with the full confidence, with the full devotion. Then I'm sure that whatever prayers that we request will be able to get the answers. And so just reciting the prayer is also not enough. The main thing is that we have to tame our mind, and with taming our mind, and then also to abstain from the non-virtuous deeds, because non-virtuous deeds are the cause of all our sufferings in this life and also in the future lives. And try to practice the virtuous deeds. Virtuous deeds is the cause of all the happiness. And so by doing in the right way, abstaining from the non-virtuous deeds and practicing the virtuous deeds, then one will be able, and with the sincere prayers to Guru Rinpoche, with that one will be able to accomplish all the whatever one wishes, one will be able to fulfill. So with this now we conclude. We recite the conclusion prayers. Sonam di tamji sivani, tamne nyebe, janam pamji di, kega naji, balonju, sive tsole do shu, jambe pawe chitara jemba tam, kundu sambo deya, Teta kunji jesu taro ji, kya dita tamji ratu ngo, tusu shive jawa, ngo kara chodar ngaba de dagi gyu, Sambo ji ratu ngo ji, temba ji de kamsu shuma tam, temba nye shidu, de luki de temba yuri nebe tashi.